Welcome back to the Decast Build Battle. In this episode we will be test fitting our body kit.
Kindly sponsored by Top's Body Kit.
As you can see, the boys behind us have already started fitting the kit, so let's join in and go through the process. Turn it 90 degrees.
What do you think of it?
It's great. It's gonna look so nice. So basically I'm now going to drill through the body because to fit the bumper we need a hole on each side.
So as you can see, we've already fitted the front bumper to the car. That was just a simple case of unbolting it and bolting it back on. So now we are just going to test fit the splitter. So we put all the hardware in just to make sure we've got everything we need. I'm 14.5.
That's what, if you're doing an imaginary line from the bumper finishing?
I'm looking down onto the ruler, following the bumper line down.
Okay.
That's what we're going for.
So it's at 14.9 to get to that point there.
That's what we're kind of referencing. So the top bit looks right, because where the yellow bit disappeared.
I like it.
I think Gail's excited.
It's amazing how much larger it is. Yeah.
Oh yeah! Now that looks the biz. That looks so cool.
So we've just removed the side skirts and have discovered that the rust repair that we previously thought was decent is far from decent, and there's a massive hole. So we're going to have to get that welded in.
Back to McEwen's.
We'll get it done back. I don't think it's too bad. I can actually see in the car.
Really?
Yeah.
As you can see, we're back on the 190. Today is a big day. We are cutting out our arches. Also, as you can also see, the Silic is back from paint. So we decided we wanted to go a slightly different route with the lip spoiler. We cut it down so it's not so tall, and I'm fiberglassing it to make it look smart.
We're like doing that.
Yeah, and then we just went pretty much straight.
And then we're blending from this.
Yeah. Right on this one, and that's the one we keep at D class. Yep.
So as you just saw, we've been prepping and fitting the body kit to the car. The reason it's covered is because it's been to S6 wraps, and we're just waiting for the guys to come out now and reveal the car to them. So tune into the next video to see that, the process of how they wrapped it, and the finished piece.